Get ready for the extended trailer concept for the Developer King's Domain, a high-stakes, motivational journey into high-level software engineering. Our journey begins in Act 1, focusing on the chaos and the call to rise above amateur coding. You've built a wall of code. You've followed every guide. But the code is messy. The app is slow. The job feels out of reach. We hear low, ominous synth drones and system failure tones. The difference between an amateur and an architect is vision. Do you just follow the map, or do you design the whole city? It's time to stop chasing trends. A powerful synth drop signals the transition to the solution. A title card flash reveals GerardKing.Dev with a powerful energy burst. I am Gerard King, and this channel is where we stop chasing fixes and start building empires. I'm here to take you from hobbyist to industry titan, one perfect function at a time. Welcome to Act 2, the Mastery Showcase, where we reveal the advanced technical content that defines the King's Domain. First up in our rapid-fire demo reel, Backend Fortress. We dive deep into high-performance backend languages like Node.js, Rust, and Go. Next, Cloud Ascension. Learn how to architect massive deployments using AWS, Azure, and Kubernetes. And finally, data domination. Master AI ML models and complex, scalable database queries for true data insights. Every week, we deploy new intelligence, deep dive into framework secrets and live streams to solve your real-world architecture problems. We also bring you exclusive interviews with the developers who literally built the internet, sharing their war stories and insights. This is where you graduate from tutorials. See successful, complex apps running flawlessly across all devices. Flash quotes from our community confirm the value. This finally clicked, and best explanation on YouTube appear on screen. From the first line of code to the final optimized deployment, I guide the entire mission. My promise, you won't just write code, you will engineer systems. Act 3 is the final manifesto, the emotional and motivational peak of the trailer. A cinematic shot of Gerard King looks directly into the camera, offering a sincere and motivational final address to the audience, shifting the tone to bright, aspirational colors. Development isn't just a job, it's the power to shape the world. But that power requires dedication. It requires the right mentor. It requires a king who has been on the field and knows how to win. The music hits its emotional peak as the GerardKing.Dev logo fills the screen. Explosive kinetic text appears. Vision, mastery, empire. Stop being a spectator in the future of tech. Join the domain. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's start architecting your legacy. The Developer King is waiting.